Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not detected on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So if you're using the USB-C headphones or a USB-C adapter, then first we're going to start it off by cleaning our charging port. So here we have our charging port. Now, as you guys can see, it's not dirty. We can clearly see that it's clean. Now, if your charging port is stuffed with dirt, debris, or basically anything else that can block the connection, then I would recommend cleaning it. So, after cleaning the charging port with a soft brush, what you guys can do is use the original or a certified adapter if you're using one. So as I've mentioned before, if you're using an adapter or headphones, then if you're using an adapter, make sure that it's at least a certified adapter or is a high quality adapter, because low quality adapters got the thing where they just stop working randomly. You guys can also try and see if the issue isn't with your phone and the adapter. So you guys can plug the adapter to any other phone that has USB-C charging port and then see if it works. Now after that, what you guys can do is update the phone software, so we'll get back to that later. First we're gonna do the Bluetooth headphones. So let's go over to the settings. Now I would recommend disabling the Bluetooth first. So here we are in settings, we need to click Bluetooth, and my Bluetooth is already disabled, so I'll turn it on. And now what can we do? We can turn it off and turn it on after a while. So turn it off. Now wait a couple of seconds, so there should be at least 5 to 10 seconds of the break. And after that, what can we do? We can go over and enable it. So now everything should work. If not, then make sure to charge your headphones fully, because I've had this issue once where I charged my headphones up to, I think it was 70 or 80%, and they weren't able to connect. But after I charged them up to 100, including the case, then everything connected easily. So after that, what you guys can do is forget and to repair the headphones. So if you've got the headphones already connected to the device but they are just not connecting for some reason, then you guys can forget them and repair them again. After that, let's avoid the device interference. So if they are still not connecting, then that might be the issue of your other device connecting to them first. So I've also had this issue where I had one pair of headphones and they were connecting to my tablet instead of my phone. So I just forgetted them in the tablet and they started connecting to my phone. What you guys can do as a last resort is what we were gonna go back into, so update your software. Let's go over here and let's scroll down and go to System and Updates, and here go to the software update. Now, as you guys can see, we have the current version, so there's no information in the changelog. Oops, too much. Now, here we are checking for updates. It checks automatically. So I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep your software fresh and updated, and that might also fix a lot of issues, including your headphones not being detected or just not connecting. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.